Hey everyone, it's Karli Brand. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today I want to show you guys my new favorite brow tip, and it's using soap to get your brows to stay where you want them to stay. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it, and let's just get right into it. So I have already filled my brows in. I just used the Maybelline Brow Precise. I think it's like $6 or $7. I just got it on Amazon. I just kind of go, I don't want to do it again because they're already dark enough, but I just go like under and I brush along the bottom, and then I brush my hair down and go along the top. So I like brush them down like this and then fill in the top up here. And then my biggest tip for filling them in, and I can do a separate video on this, is I just make sure to brush them up nicely and quite a bit so it looks really nice and natural, because I don't know, I'm just very into the natural brow. And I want my brows to be lighter in the middle and then to get darker as they go out. So now that my makeup's done and my brows are filled in, I just want to show you guys how I get my brows to stay straight up. I've used so many different brow gels. I've used the Glossier Boy Brow. I went through the full thing. I got this one in brown. I did like it. It's a tiny little tube and it didn't last me very long. I've gone through quite a few of these e.l.f. things. It's like a clear mascara on one side and a brow gel on the other, but I just use them both for brow gel. They're both okay compared to this bar of soap. So for the soap brows, I just got this specific kind of soap. It's the Pears soap and it's transparent. So you don't want it to be white so that you don't get like white flaky soap on your brows. I got this at the dollar store, obviously just $1. It's the Pears brand, and I think you can get it on Amazon. It's not as cheap as when you get it at the dollar store, so I totally recommend it. And then this is just a tin from Trader Joe's from some of the old mints I had, and I just took the lid off and keep it in here. It's kind of random, but anyway, all you do is you get so take an eyelash brush. So I get my eyelashes done, and this is one of the brushes for my lash extensions. And then I'm just gonna get my brush wet, and today I'm just gonna use this Rose Water Facial Toner by from Trader Joe's. And I'm just gonna get the brush wet. And then you take the little brush and then just brush it on the soap until you get enough soap on there. You can't really see it. There is definitely soap. And then take the side where where the soap is on it, and I'll just make sure to get nice and close. And then you just brush up. I start from the inner corner and I work my way out. You might have to go through it a couple times to get it where you like it. So I like my brows to stick straight up right now. I'm just very into the look. That's what I'm gonna do. If you want yours not to stick straight up, you could always get them trimmed. But I just think they look nice. And throughout the day they might fall a little bit, but really with the soap they do stay very, very well. It's like almost like glue, because once it dries they don't move. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same to the other side, and make sure your brush is wet before you do your brows, or else it doesn't work at all. Alright you guys, and that's what they look like with the soap. They like stick straight up. So if you're not into this look, that's totally okay. I'm definitely really into this look right now, and I feel like soap is the best way to get your brows to stay exactly where you want them to stay. Even if you want to brush them however you want, I would totally recommend using soap for your brow gel. I just think it works a lot better than any brow gel I've found, and it's cheaper. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you guys try this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time.